everyone. Myself Ashim Das, Vice Principal of Manas Pali Academy, and this is Manas Pali Academy. You can see here, and also you can find out that students are getting ready for the 200-meter race, and there you can see that the other events are going on, shot put and discus throw, and all the people are very excited. All the people are very much cheered up. They are getting ready for the events. So we have a lot of events stored up. And this is also the place where the kabaddi match will take place, and these girls are getting ready for the 200-meter race. I'll try to show you some of the snippets and some of the important events that are going to take place in the annual sports week. I hope all of you will enjoy, and you will also appreciate the efforts of the teachers and students especially, and also the supporting staff. So let's see and enjoy what are the things given there. Thank you. So, Dimankar sir, so how are you feeling during this sports week?
Very tired. It is very hot. Sunshine is there.
Okay.
And we are enjoying with the students.
Yes, that's all. That's all. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yes, yes. Hello. How are you? Yes. So, are you enjoying there in the games?
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Sir, exhausted, sir.
Exhausted. Mahfouz says he's exhausted. Okay. Starting with Arpana ma'am. So, Arpana ma'am, how are you feeling during the sports week?
Fine, it is fantastic.
Okay, great, great, awesome. You can see here so many students are here, and we also have with us Pallavi Miss. Hey, Gustav. Yes, Pallavi Miss ase amar logot. Pallavi Miss. So, how are you? Fine, fine. Okay, great, great. And the students are there. They are all lined up for this game, and all of them are quite excited. The final is here. Yes, yes.
Sir, vlogging.
Yes. And how can you forget our very respected Mr. Anup sir? And Anup sir is also quite ready for the games. So Anup sir, what is your prediction about this next event? Who will win?
200-meter race, sir, is a very exciting event.
Yeah.
For our school also, because
Yes.
all the top running athletes are here.
Yeah.
So let's. We all are hoping for the best for all the houses.
Yes, yes. That's
May
all,
the
sir.
best win.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So we are here now getting ready for the next event, and all the people are lined up, and these are also here. They are cheering up for their own houses. Yes, say hi, hello. And these two, yes, hi. And these two boys are also sitting there. They are not concerned what is going on in this world. They are happy in their own world. And we have here so many people. So I'll do one thing. I'll just keep the camera here, and we'll try to get ready. So that's the selection round going on there.
Slow, yes, slow.
Yes.
Sir, direct selection you do that. Blue house
Only three, sir.
Three only.
Sir, direct selection only.
So like the games are going on well, and we also have our respected Kashyap sir with us. So Kashyap sir is the man behind these annual sports. Yes. So sir, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very happy
Okay. So
because annual sports is going on.
yes, and sir likes sports a lot, and we are quite ready for this. So many events are there. So now there will be selection for the blue house. You can see all the participants are getting ready. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, we'll meet you with you later on. Thank you.
You should not go.
So now we are getting ready for the final event of 200-meter race, and we are going to see all the people lined up, and we also have our teachers here. So we are getting ready. Okay. So thank you so much. Let's see what are the other events here. Thank you. So now next we have one of our very handsome teachers, our very respected Mr. Deepjyoti sir, and he's also quite involved in the games. So sir, what are your views regarding these annual sports going on that is in Manas Ballet Academy?
Sports are very enthusiastic. The students here
Yes.
are playing with their sheer will.
Yes.
Everyone wanting to will.
Yeah.
They are trying best for
Yes.
the first and the
That's
second
what-
position.
Thank you. And by the way, this time the final for the girls has already started and 200-meter race, and all these participants are like getting ready, and they have already started coming back, and let's see who will be the winner. And this is what, let's see. Okay, again they have to run one more time they have to run. Okay, one more time they have to run. And this is the final, and that is like, yes, they are coming back, and that will be the deciding factor who will be the winner. And let's see. Yes, that's 1 second, and there someone fell down there. It's all right, it's no problem, it's all right. Okay, so we have the winners here. So it was quite exciting. Thank you, sir. Okay, great. So, Anu sir, next we are going to get ready for
200-meter boys final.
200-meter boys final, senior category D section, classes 9 and 10. Okay, get ready. Let's start. Okay, line up.
It's a nice block, sir. One, two, three.
So, yes.
Okay, all of you ready?
Get ready. Okay, that's it. Okay, great.
All of you ready? One, two.
And that just started, yes. And this. And they're coming back. Well, there is some controversy going on there regarding the games, and there is a dispute going on. There is a fight between the students. Let's see what will happen here.
Live stream.
Yeah. Other students all the way go back. All the other students will go back. Are getting ready for the kabaddi match now, and we are going to see what will be the next event. So kabaddi for boys and girls also, and the 200-meter race will be held one more time. Thank you. So now again we are back, and sir, so one event is again left, I think. That is 200-meter race for the boys final. That will be reconducted now. And we also have Bapan sir here with us. Bapan sir, how are you feeling today? And are you enjoying the annual sports? Okay, what is your expectation regarding this? Who will win? Who will be the best? Let's see. Okay. The announcement is going on, so we are unable to hear carefully. Anyways, let's continue and see what are the other games. Hi. Hello. Arun sir is already there. We already have talked with Arun sir. And our Arpana ma'am and Pallavi miss have been working from the morning and conducting all the games properly. So thank you to both of them. And other girls are there waiting, and the other boys are also there this side. Yeah, hi. Hi, hello.
Wait after this. Sir, take one like this.
Pinkle! Pinkle is ready as the Naruto. And Kostov is coming back after a little bit of consultation. And earlier he was not so ready to take part. Kostov is back. And all the other people are ready. Sir, get ready, sir, quickly.
Ready.
Pinkle!
Sir, you are recording everything.
So now we are going to start the kabaddi match, and we also have this girl destroying my video. Priyanka and Babu sir is here. So are you ready for the match? Yes, ready for everything? Okay, thank you. Let's go for the kabaddi match now.
Sir, vlogging.